Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, and see that form right there? I got from Dollar Tree. I'm using that in this part of the video to create a heart-shaped jewelry box. Now you see I'm using towering tumbling blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm using the wood glue from Dollar Tree. Just taking the tumbling tower blocks and standing them on the end and gluing them to the heart form, just following the shape of the heart. Now, in this particular project, I did not use that heart. I just wanted to show you how I created the heart with the tumbling tower blocks. Now, on this video, I'm cutting out foam board to make the same thing. I just wanted to show you that you can use foam board to make the same heart. Now, I don't know what happened to the footage of me actually putting the tumbling tower blocks on this particular one, but you will see that I use the same technique to create this jewelry box as I did with the already made heart from Dollar Tree. So here I just painted it all black, and now I'm using Mod Podge so that I can put this felt over it. And I got this felt from Dollar Tree. This bling I got from Amazon, and after I finished doing the felt on here and allowing it to dry with the Mod Podge, I proceeded to put on this Dollar Tree bling. I think it's gorgeous. So I had to use 3 separate sets of this bling to get the results that I achieved for this particular box. Again, I lost footage, but I cut this out, as you can see here, and I'm still trimming it right now because it wasn't how I wanted it to be. So you can use your imagination and see that I cut off all the edges, and now I'm just turning it on the back side and cutting it from the back so I can see and make sure that it's just how I want it to be. Now again, this is foam board. Now you can see here that I went ahead and put the tower tumbling blocks on here and painted it red. And now I'm using fabric glue. Believe it or not, I'm using fabric glue, and it's called Fabric Fusion. And this glue really worked well with this bling from Amazon. And so you see me here using gloves because that glue is really sticky, and if it gets on you, it's kind of hard to get it off. So I'm aligning the bling onto the tumbling tower blocks. And you may have some flaws with your tumbling tower blocks, but it doesn't really matter because you won't see it once you put the bling on there. Okay? So now I'm rubbing a good amount. I'm very generous with the glue. And I put it on there, and I use my little pink clips from Dollar Tree to help it adhere to the wood. Now that it's dry, I'm going around and I'm cutting off the edges because I don't need them. And now I'm going to put some more bling on the edges of the blocks. Now, if you can see here, I put magnets on here because I like using the magnets so that you can close it and it'll be stuck on there. Some people may not want magnets, but that's what I put on there. And I'm using the glue from Dollar Tree. The fix-all glue from Dollar Tree. I don't know why I didn't use the same glue that I used for the bling earlier, but I did what I did. So now I'm cutting off some more bling to go around the lid of the jewelry box. Now you can see there also I put the little knob on top of the jewelry box, and I didn't record that because I do things sometimes and forget to push the record button. So that's what happened on that one. And I have the magnets on here as well. Now these magnets came from Dollar Tree. Yeah, if you find these magnets at Dollar Tree, you need to grab them up because they go really quick. So the last time I went to Dollar Tree, I got 4 packs of them because they go so quick. And they're the right size. It's just what I needed. So here you see me putting the finishing touches around the edges of the jewelry box lid. And there's your completed box right there. However, I wasn't finished. So I went around the jewelry box at the bottom, which I don't show on the footage, and I completed the edges on there. And because I didn't like the way it looked on the inside, I just took some black felt that I got from Dollar Tree, and I traced that heart so I could line it on the inside, because I just didn't like the way that red looked. It just wasn't sitting well with me. So I traced it with a gold metallic marker that I got from Dollar Tree, and I put it in the box. And as you can see, it was still a little bit too big, so I had to trim it again, and I outlined it with the metallic liner and trimmed it to how I wanted it to be. However, in my trimming, it was just a little bit slow. I mean, not slow. It was a little bit too short, and I couldn't, cover the red. So what I did was went back and I painted the inside of the box black. I just had to. So it fit well and everything was cool. Then I went to Dollar Tree and I saw this beautiful flower, and I was like, oh, that would look so cute on top of the box. So I took the knob off and I put the flower on it, and I put the knob behind the flower so you could still have something to lift the box up with, because remember, it does have magnets. And that's the end look. How you like it? I like it. Yes. And there you have it. A jewelry box. And you can use it for Mother's Day. You can just use it as a gift to give to somebody or whatever. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to share. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. All right. Lady T, signing out.